Life doesn't slow down with age, though. It simply changes shape. Discover the hobbies that can keep your mind sharp, your body moving, and your heart full.
Welcome to Silver Vitality, your home for inspiring guidance, uplifting senior health tips, timeless senior habits, and powerful longevity tips designed to help you enjoy a strong, active, and fulfilling life after 60. Before we dive in, please take a moment to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Your support helps our growing community of seniors stay motivated and informed every week. Today's topic is something joyful, practical, and truly life-changing: the best hobbies to keep your mind and body active. As we age, staying mentally sharp and physically mobile becomes incredibly important. Hobbies are more than simple pastimes. They are powerful tools that protect your brain, strengthen your body, improve mood, and even extend your lifespan. Many studies show that older adults who engage in meaningful hobbies experience better memory, greater happiness, reduced stress, and overall greater health. So today, we'll explore a wide variety of hobby ideas, some gentle, some creative, some physically active, all perfect for seniors who want to keep their mind sharp and bodies strong. Hobby number 1, walking groups or nature strolling. Walking is one of the simplest yet most powerful activities for seniors. Joining a walking group makes it even better. You get gentle exercise, social interaction, and emotional support. Walking improves heart health, boosts mood, enhances mobility, and keeps your joints flexible. Nature walking adds an extra bonus. Being surrounded by greenery reduces stress levels and increases mental clarity. This hobby is easy to start. All you need is a comfortable pair of shoes and a safe walking route. It perfectly aligns with essential senior health tips for longevity. Hobby number 2, gardening. Gardening is one of the most beloved hobbies among older adults, and for good reason. It allows you to move your body gently while connecting with nature. Planting, pruning, watering, and harvesting all stimulate coordination and flexibility. But the benefits go much deeper. Gardening reduces stress, improves mood, and has been shown to lower the risk of depression in seniors. Watching your plants grow gives you a sense of purpose and accomplishment every day. Whether you grow flowers, vegetables, or herbs, gardening nurtures both your body and your mind, an ideal senior habit for healthy aging. Hobby number 3, dancing. Dancing is not only fun, it's one of the best activities for brain stimulation and physical coordination. It strengthens your muscles, supports balance, and increases energy levels. If you join a dance class such as ballroom, tango, or line dancing, you also enjoy social engagement, which is crucial for emotional well-being. Studies show dancing can improve memory, reduce the risk of dementia, and enhance flexibility. It combines rhythm, movement, and joy, making it a top contender for longevity tips. Hobby number 4, painting, drawing, or crafting. Creative hobbies like painting, sketching, knitting, quilting, or crafting allow you to express yourself while stimulating important areas of the brain. These hobbies improve focus, memory, problem-solving skills, and hand-eye coordination. They also reduce stress, promote relaxation, and provide a wonderful sense of accomplishment. You don't need to be an artist. Creativity is for everyone. It is one of the most recommended senior health tips for keeping your mind active in the most enjoyable way. Hobby number 5, learning a new language or skill. One of the most powerful ways to keep your brain young is by challenging it with something new. Learning a language, taking online classes, or exploring new skills like photography, baking, or computer use helps build new neural connections. This slows cognitive decline and improves memory. Many seniors find joy in attending community classes, joining study groups, or using free online platforms. This hobby represents one of the best longevity tips: never stop learning. Hobby number 6, swimming or water aerobics. Water activities are perfect for seniors because they're gentle on the joints while still providing full body exercise. Swimming builds strength, improves posture, increases lung capacity, and supports heart health. Water aerobics classes also offer social interaction and guided instruction, making them safe and enjoyable for older adults. For seniors looking for mobility, balance, and overall fitness, this is one of the top recommended senior habits. Hobby number 8, puzzle games and brain challenges. Keeping your mind sharp is essential after 60. Puzzles, crosswords, Sudoku, strategy games, and memory challenges help strengthen your cognitive abilities. These activities support short-term memory, problem-solving, concentration, and mental agility. Brain-boosting hobbies like these are strongly linked to better cognitive health and reduced risk of dementia, making them essential senior health tips for lifelong mental fitness. Hobby number 8, volunteering. Helping others is one of the most meaningful hobbies for older adults. Whether you volunteer at a school, a community center, a hospital, or a charity organization, the emotional and mental rewards are immense. Volunteering gives you purpose, keeps you socially engaged, and boosts happiness. Research shows that seniors who volunteer regularly tend to live longer and experience better mental health. This hobby aligns powerfully with longevity tips because purpose adds years to your life. Hobby number 9, Tai Chi or gentle yoga. Tai Chi and yoga are ideal for improving balance, reducing stress, and strengthening your muscles. They help prevent falls, ease joint stiffness, and enhance flexibility. These gentle forms of mindful movement support mental calmness, breathing, and focus, which makes them excellent senior health tips for overall well-being. Just to review, today we explored some of the best hobbies to keep your mind and body active, including walking groups, gardening, dancing, creative arts, learning new skills, swimming, brain games, volunteering, Tai Chi, or gentle yoga. Each of these hobbies supports healthier aging, strengthens your body, sharpens your mind, and adds more joy to your day. They are simple, enjoyable, and backed by science, making them perfect senior habits to start at any age. If you found these senior health tips helpful, please subscribe, like, comment, and share so more seniors can discover healthy, joyful ways to stay active. Thank you for watching Silver Vitality. Stay active, stay inspired, and keep shining.